Today, I can proudly stand before you to say that in 2023, when we reflect the last 3-4 years, our state is one among the few states in India that have continued to improve their economies. Assam has registered a growth of 13.9% in terms of GSDP and 12.84% in terms of per capita income in 2023-24, making it one of the top 5 fastest growing states in the country. When we look at the economic survey presented by the Finance Department of the Government of India before the Parliament, you will see that over Assam, there are only 4 states which has registered 12% growth in the fiscal year 2023-24. Irrespective of the volume of the economy, the percentage of growth today Assam has registered in 2023 and 24 is among the top 5 states of our country. Our unemployment rate has decreased from the 8% to 6.1% over the same period. If you look at the landscape of India, in 2020-24, no other state has able to reduce its unemployment rate except Assam. We have reduced our unemployment rate from 8% to 6.1%. I am quoting the economic survey of 2023-24. Today, Assam can boast of being one of the most investment-friendly states in the country. We have implemented policies that encourage investment in various sectors. The overall investment in public-private sector, including the country's first semiconductor assembling units, amounts to around 50,000 crores in last 3 years. Tata's investment in the semiconductor industry amounting to 27,000 crores is a significant development that is expected to generate approximately 27,000 direct and indirect employment. Yesterday, when I was about to leave my office, I got another letter from Reliance Industry. They have decided to set up 6 biorefinery in the country, and they have chosen Assam as one of the 6 refineries. They have chosen Assam as one of its destination or as location.